What's the meaning of Amex? Amex. 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 Amex.
Amex is an abbreviation for American Express, which is a financial services company based in the United States. The company offers a range of products and services including credit cards, charge cards, traveler's checks, and other payment and financing solutions. Founded in 1850, American Express has since grown into a global brand with operations in over 130 countries. The company is known for its focus on customer service, rewards programs and exclusive benefits for cardholders. With its iconic blue logo, American Express is a recognized name worldwide and a symbol of financial stability and prestige.